Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Mailchimp to WordPress. First, you will need to install a dedicated plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, find the Plugins section, and click Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WordPress and install it. This plugin is a popular choice, used by over 1 million websites. Once installed, make sure to activate it immediately. This initial step is crucial for setting up your email marketing integration smoothly and efficiently. Next, you will connect your Mailchimp account. Go to the newly installed plugin settings page in your WordPress admin. You will find a field requesting your Mailchimp API key. This key acts as a secure bridge between your website and your Mailchimp audience. If you do not have one, simply log into your Mailchimp account, go to your profile, then Extras, and API keys to generate a new one. Copy and paste it into the plugin settings to establish the connection. Now it is time to create your sign-up forms. The plugin provides an intuitive form builder, allowing you to design forms that perfectly match your website's aesthetic. You can easily add or remove fields, change labels, and customize the messages users see after submitting. For example, you might add a first name field and an email address field. These forms are highly flexible, ensuring a seamless user experience and consistent branding across your site. Finally, you will integrate and test your new forms. You can embed these forms into any post, page, or widget area using a simple shortcode or a dedicated block. Consider placing them in prominent locations, like your sidebar or at the end of blog posts, for maximum visibility. After placement, always perform a test submission. This ensures that all data is correctly transferred to your Mailchimp audience list, confirming your setup is working perfectly and capturing every new subscriber.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.